If you want to create a gradient in Canva, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the easiest way to add a beautiful gradient background or element to your design, even if you're just getting started. Gradients are a great way to make your graphics look more modern, more polished, and more professional, whether you're creating a thumbnail, a social media post, a presentation slide, or a banner. And the best part is, Canva makes it really simple. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more Canva tips, design tutorials, and quick how-to videos. Now let's jump straight into it. First, go to Canva and open the design you want to work on. You can either start a brand new design or open an existing one that you want to improve with a gradient effect. Once your design is open, look at the left-hand side menu and click on Elements. This is where Canva keeps a huge library of graphics, shapes, icons, and design assets, including gradients. Now in the search bar, type the word gradient. Canva will show you a variety of gradient options, and you may notice that there are different styles available. Some are soft and subtle, while others are bold and colorful. For this tutorial, choose a gradient square or background because that gives you the most flexibility when you want to use it as a full background or as a design layer. Once you find one you like, click it to add it to your canvas. It will appear inside your design, and from there you can start adjusting it. If you want to use it as a background, simply resize it so it fills the entire canvas. You can drag the corners outward until it covers the full design area. If you're using it as a smaller element, just position it wherever it looks best in your layout. Next, click on the gradient itself. When it's selected, look at the top toolbar. Canva will usually show you color options, and this is where you can change the colors of the gradient. Depending on the template or element you chose, you may be able to customize multiple color points. This is really useful because it lets you match the gradient to your brand colors, your thumbnail style, or the overall mood of your project. If your design needs a softer look, go with light tones or similar shades. If you want something more eye-catching, try contrasting colors that stand out against each other. You can experiment a little until it feels right. That's one of the best parts of using Canva because you can preview everything instantly and make changes on the fly. After you've adjusted the colors, take a moment to resize and reposition the gradient so it fits your design perfectly. Make sure it doesn't cover important text or elements unless it's supposed to be a background layer. If needed, you can also send it backward or forward in the layer order so it sits exactly where you want it. And that's it. You've now created a gradient in Canva. It's a simple technique, but it can completely change the look and feel of your design. Once you learn this, you can use gradients in thumbnails, posters, Instagram graphics, YouTube banners, and so much more. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new Canva tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.